fellow travelers. Today I was going to show you two places that I look for cooking, either with a camp stove, one burner, which is what I cook with, or a grill. In between destinations. Obviously, when you're at your destination, cooking outside is, what you do. But while I'm traveling, I do not like to cook in my rig. So therefore, I always cook outside my rig. And I look for two different types of places. And I will show you different locations that I've cooked at through this video. But one of them is rest stops along the major highways or intersections. I find there's always a picnic table, which you can set up a one burner stove and cook. And 90% of them have restrooms, so you can clean up and wash your hands, go to the bathroom. Some of them do have grills, some of them do not. The more of the recent ones I have not seen any at. Not grills, but always picnic tables. And then I look for county or city parks that are free. Most of the time you will find picnic tables, grills, or benches. And I can cook either with my charcoal grill or with the one burner stove. So finish watching the rest of this video and I will show you. Some of them have rivers and all kinds of stuff that I also too use these places to relax at. If I've driven like 3 or 4 hours, just need to get out, stretch my feet. You'll see some of these have rivers, some of these will have ponds. Even pay attention to some of the ducks. They had a group of ducks coming up. I'll show you that later in this video. But it's nice just to get out of your rig, stretch your legs, walk around, cook a meal, get back on the road. So, finish watching the rest of this video and hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, this is Runaround Susie G on YouTube. If you find this valuable, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks and have a great day.